I'd really like to give a shout out to Gary over at Everyday Dad for really helping me out and mentoring me through this process of getting a channel launched on YouTube. I'll put a link to his page below, so if you're interested in cameras, tech, or maybe even getting started in a YouTube channel, be sure to check him out. Hey, what's up guys? Mike Fixit back here again. Today we're going to be turning this basketball and this PVC pipe, some concrete, Quikrete, and a little bit of play sand into a 35-pound kettlebell for my wife.